Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2015 Lexus IS 200T maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here: left, right, up, down, middle for enter, menu, and back. And we're going to be using that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Okay, now you're going to have to use the menu button. Press on it. Okay, now press back. Now go ahead and scroll left or right to go find your page. We were there. Give me a second. There you go. Now enter on the setting. Scroll down to maintenance, schedule maintenance. Scroll up to yes. Enter on that. Now go back, and you're gonna have to reset the oil maintenance also. Enter on that. Scroll up. Yes. And that is it. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.